Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, SkyHigh Car Audio, and others.
Okay. Awesome. Oh, I see. So the amps and everything's here. Batteries down there.
Yeah, I got and a 40 amp hour of LTO behind your seat.
Okay.
I had a 70 amp hour in here, and I had some cells die, and the whole bank got trashed.
Oh wow. Okay.
So I got what I could to put in here, just to have something for now.
Yeah.
So.
Okay. Nice. It's good. This is the NVXZ 8K?
Yeah.
8K, okay.
Yeah, and then that's the 1200 by 4.
Okay. Oh, got it, okay.
I mean, it works. It's a 4 audio Ace of Joker V315s. This was a 6th order, but experimenting around, and so we pulled out the rear ports and just sealed them off. Go 4th order.
Yeah.
Because certain songs just they would unload, so I'm just like, okay, I think 6 just isn't the way of right now, because this box is only this high.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I see it. Yep.
Yeah, it's a 15 up top and like 9.8 in the bottom. So
okay.
So it's 6th order, not really.
Yeah. So you blocked off. You had 4 aero ports?
Yeah.
Or, okay.
Yeah,
like 3 inch or 4 inch?
4 inch.
Okay. So now it's a sealed section with 415s acting as a 4th order band.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah. So just experimenting around.
Okay. All right. And this is that 1 ohm on the amp?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
Sweet. What are these subs rated for? Are they 1500 RMS or?
Yeah.
Okay. Awesome. All right. I bet you got punchier when you sealed it off. Yeah.
And also, at the same time, when I sealed it off, I had them inverted, and so I sealed it off. When we did a test, there was a little unloading still, so I was like, okay, just set them in there regular.
Yeah.
That'll absorb some space.
So mounting in regular was more optimal for it.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah, but I wanted to rebuild and actually shell it and do a 6, but with this something being so short, I don't know if I actually got the space for a 6.
It'd be hard.
Yeah. So
well, you could always
higher ratio 4th maybe.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking.
That's the fun bass head life, man. You trying different things.
Up there, then turned into after a year, it's sort of
permanent. Yeah. Okay.
So.
Oh, I see. Got it. Yeah.
Yeah.
Sorry, appreciate it.
No, you're good. Watch out for this truck.
Okay. Awesome. Yeah, man, let's check out how it sounds. Looks good. Gucci.